Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the maximum value. So we have this one. So I will put 3y go to the right. And now I will change x into 10 minus 3y. And we got like this. Next, we need to expand this one, and you got 100 minus 60y plus 9y squared. So 49 minus 100, you got about negative 51. Negative and negative, we have positive. Negative 9 with negative number 1, we have negative number 10. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f of y. And that should be like this. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one that is about 2y. So we need to find the critical value. So I will put this one equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. And we can find the value of y. That is about number 3. So the maximum value of this one, that is about, we put number 3 cone here. And we got the maximum value. And that is about 39. This is the end. Thank you for watching.